Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar says the UN's decisions don't reflect global priorities, expressing concerns on its 80th anniversary. A private bus traveling from Hyderabad to Bengaluru caught fire, killing 19 people and injuring several others. Police collected DNA samples from the charred bodies. Trivikram and Ravi Teja's sons join Prabhas in his upcoming film Spirit. Directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Chemicals in processed foods can severely harm the body by extending shelf life and improving appearance. Often overlooked or unknown to consumers. US sanctions on Russian oil to impact Reliance Industries in Naira Energy, potentially reducing RIL's earnings by 3,000 rupees 3,500 crore. A woman doctor died by suicide and wrote a note accusing 2 police officers of rape before her death at a Maharashtra hospital. A private bus heading to Bengaluru from Hyderabad caught fire on the road near Kurnool while raining, causing an accident in Chinnatekur village on October 24, 2025. The Kerala High Court ruled that certificates issued to actor Mohanlal for possessing ivory are illegal and unenforceable, citing a breach of law. A suspended Rajasthan official is facing online backlash for his allegations against petrol pump staff after a CCTV clip of him assaulting attendants went viral. A bus caught fire in Andhra after a motorcycle accident and fuel tank explosion, trapping passengers on board. Shares of defense companies including BDL rose up to 25% after Defense Acquisition Council approved army contracts worth 79,000 crore rupees. Hyundai's second general venue has been teased ahead of its November 4th launch, featuring the new quad LED projector headlight setup and connected LED DRL strip. India's manufacturing activity reached a 2-month high at 58.4 in October, up from 57.7 in September, according to HSBC Flash India Manufacturing PMI report. Orkla Asia Pacific Private received nearly 540 crore rupees as dividend for FY25, exceeding the company's annual profit in any previous year, according to its prospectus filing. Cipla shares dropped 3% on October 24, despite announcing a deal with Eli Lilly to market diabetes and obesity drug tirzepatide in India. Tata Motors has completed the demerger of its businesses, creating 2 independent entities. Investors can expect to trade in Tata Motors commercial vehicles shares soon. Gold prices dropped 4% due to profit-taking, stronger dollar, and EU-China trade optimism, sparking analyst debate on whether it's a short-term correction or buying opportunity. Indraprasth Apollo Hospitals in New Delhi highlighted the urgent need for stroke recognition and timely care during a recent Apollo Stroke Awareness program. Certain seeds like flax, chia, and pumpkin help lower bad LDL cholesterol with fiber, healthy fats, and plant nutrients. A Chinese team has successfully transplanted a gene-edited pig liver into a human patient, achieving a world first in organ transplantation. The 71-year-old patient lived for 171 days. Scientists study Africa's ancient environment to understand how early humans adapted, finding food, water, and surviving in their habitat millions of years ago. A small asteroid, 2025 PN7, is confirmed to be in a stable orbit around the Sun with Earth for at least the next 50 years. Scientists have identified a protein, TMOD1, that triggers the separation of buds from hydra's parent body during budding. Researchers from the University of Chicago studied exceptionally preserved Edmontosaurus fossils in Wyoming, uncovering new insights into their appearance. Scientists in Mallorca discovered 270 million-year-old fossil tracks from early mammal ancestors, offering insight into how they moved millions of years ago. New observations from the James Webb Telescope show early universe galaxies were more chaotic with growth, gas and activity through merger processes. Contradicting previous orderly expectations, scientists uncover a massive granite body buried beneath Pine Island Glacier, reshaping understanding of West Antarctica's deep structure and its link to sea level rise. Redmi has launched its latest flagship phone, the K90 Pro Max in China with a powerful Qualcomm processor and focus on performance. Google Earth now uses Gemini AI to provide information on natural disasters like floods and droughts, helping communities prepare and respond with advanced geospatial artificial intelligence. OpenAI's viral video app Sora to get updates for video edits, pet cameos and more following its top chart performance on Apple App Store in US and Canada. Microsoft distances itself from OpenAI by stating it won't create or support AI tools for adult or erotic content, setting a clear boundary for its artificial intelligence products. Microsoft introduces Miko, an animated AI character reminiscent of the infamous Clippy now. The tech giant hopes to succeed where its 90s paperclip failed in bringing AI personality to users. Comedian Parmit Sethi humorously claims royalty from Kapil Sharma for frequent mentions of his name on the comedy show, calling himself a recurring character. Pan-India superstar Prabhas marked his 46th birthday by revealing updates from 3 major upcoming films, delighting fans in Hyderabad. Kantara, Chapter 1, starring Rishabh Shetty and others, displays a decent hold after Diwali holidays with less than 45% drop, crossing the 560 crore mark. A case was filed against 24 Bollywood actors, including Alok Nath and Shreyas Talpade, for alleged investment fraud in the Loni Urban Cooperative Society. Shah Rukh Khan's fans react to Spirit teaser calling Prabhas India's biggest superstar, questioning the Spirit maker's intentions and comparing it to SRK's own popularity. Director Abhinav Kashyap criticizes Aamir Khan for hypocrisy and work approach, sharing personal advertising experiences. Actors Kajol and Twinkle Khanna face backlash on their chat show, Too Much, for allegedly normalizing infidelity and justifying cheating. President Trump has terminated all trade talks with Canada due to a TV ad criticizing US tariffs, calling it egregious behavior that distorted facts. The US government sanctioned Russia's 2 largest oil producers, impacting global oil supply and prices. With over 73 million barrels of exports at stake, the White House launched an investigation after a truck driver, identified as an undocumented Indian immigrant, was involved in a California crash, highlighting concerns about commercial licensing processes. China portrays itself as a victim, protecting the global economy from US bullying through tariffs and tech bans, while taking control of rare earth minerals. President Trump halts trade negotiations with Canada, citing an advertisement using Ronald Reagan's words to protest US tariffs as egregious behavior. US President Donald Trump halts trade negotiations with Canada over a TV ad opposing US tariffs, calling it egregious behavior that misstates facts. Bayern Munich dominated Belgian side Club Brugge with a 4-0 Champions League win, thanks to goals from Lennart Karl and others, moving them closer to a record set in 1992. Manchester United have a 6-man shortlist for a new midfielder, featuring 3 failed summer targets, with Carlos Baleba being one of the options. Bangladesh's openers excelled on a difficult pitch to help their team win the series decider, overcoming a struggling batting lineup and poor ODI results. India's Rohit Sharma scored 73 in the Adelaide ODI silencing critics and prompting head coach Gautam Gambhir to make a light-hearted joke about his retirement. Pritika Rawal celebrated her maiden Women's World Cup century against New Zealand with a helmet-removing celebration at Dr. D.Y. Patil Stadium in Navi Mumbai, receiving roaring support from the crowd.